Hello, hello, everybody. I'm just going to hang out here for a second. Let's let um, our live stream stuff turn on, send all the datas out into the interwebs. Okay, so welcome, everybody. Happy Wednesday, I think it is. Today, I just wanted to talk about an upcoming webinar. I just finished one this morning, actually, which was getting started with Laravel, a pretty popular PHP framework. I want to say my favorite framework. So let's do intros. I am Chris on Code. I am a dev advocate at DigitalOcean, and I founded a web dev site called Scotch.io. And let me pull that up, Scotch.io. So what's cool about this, and I'm really happy to be doing these Laravel webinars because Scotch.io was built on Laravel since the beginning, and it's been deployed to DigitalOcean since the beginning. So I definitely like talking about building out blogs, building out APIs with Laravel. So we're going to have that getting started with Laravel video on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/DigitalOcean. But for this, I want to talk about a webinar that's coming up August 26th. You can find the registration link in the description. And this is a little bit more than the Getting Started Laravel webinar. This one, we're going to talk about authenticating an API. And building out APIs is so important these days. Laravel makes it nice and easy to build out your API. There's a lot of good tools that come out of the box. But when you want to authenticate it and restrict access to certain parts of your API, that's another thing that Laravel can help with. So if you are digging through the Laravel docs, you'll see that under security, under authentication, they have a whole set of authentication tools. But when we want to build out the more advanced type stuff like API authentication, this stuff can help when we're doing session-based and view authentication, where like somebody comes to the website, they click login, and they do the whole session-based auth. For API authentication, it's a little bit different. So Laravel actually comes with a tool down here under official packages called Sanctum. And they have a couple other official packages, one called Socialite, which lets us bring in some social authentication. I don't think we'll be dealing with that one in the next webinar. We can if you're interested in the next one, or in another one, sorry. But for this one, we're going to be dealing with Laravel Sanctum. And what it does for us is API token authentication and single page app authentication. So this is kind of where I like to focus these days, is the when we're building out maybe front end apps in JavaScript, maybe a React framework or like Gatsby or Next, or if we're building out a Vue application or Angular or Svelte, SAP. I guess the list goes forever with these JavaScript frameworks, right? Laravel Sanctum is the package that we're going to use in this upcoming webinar. We're going to try out API token authentication, and we're going to try out single page app authentication, and mobile app authentication we won't really deal with. But I think these two are definitely going to keep us in the right track towards building out really solid APIs that have authentication, that have authorization. So if you are interested and like Laravel, like I do, definitely check out the registration link and go ahead and register there. Here it is. Let me pull that up. So authenticating a Laravel API, August 26th at 1 p.m. Eastern time, RSVP, and we'll go live and we'll be able to hang out in that webinar. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and you can find me on Twitter, twitter.com/Chris on Code, and same with DigitalOcean/DigitalOcean. But I'm a big fan of Laravel, and I hope you are too, and I hope you join me for this next upcoming webinar. Thanks.